What's going on, everyone? Hope everyone is doing well during these tough times. It's been a minute since I dropped a video, and I felt like right now is the perfect time to do so. It's about a brand new purchase I made. This baby here, my BMW E30, one of my dream cars ever since I was a kid. And I just want to show you guys what I have in store for you. Let's check it out. So here is my BMW E30, specifically a 1990 325i convertible. Starting from the exterior, the paint is a Calypso metallic red. I believe that's how you pronounce it. Now, the paint does have a little bit of wear, of course, for a 30-year-old car. Some scratches, some dings, especially like around like the convertible top. So right here, you'll see like a couple scratches. Now, the front and back bumpers, they came with like the, I guess, just like the chrome bumper. I don't know what you guys call it, but I do want to swap it out to like Euro bumpers in the future. I know they're really expensive, so that'll come later. And the seller basically had like a black coat on it, and I do want to scrub it to go back to chrome or just replace them later. Now with the rims, they came with the 14-inch bottle cap rims. I do want to swap it out to like maybe some BBS or maybe just the 16-inch Basquiat. They are clean, like I do like them for right now, but you know, in the future I do want to lower it and then have it a little bit stanced out. And then when it comes to the convertible top, there is a little bit of wear and tears here. As you can see right here, there's like a rip. I just took it to the car wash, and I guess like water kind of went through, but pretty much it's from the window seal, so I guess that needs to be replaced. And then as you can see here, the back window is in awful condition. I did order like a backup window, so I just need to replace that. Maybe it could be in the next video. Now with the interior, the front seats are pretty ripped. They need to be reupholstered, or I was thinking about replacing them. I saw on Facebook Marketplace that a guy was selling it for kind of cheap, so I wanted to replace them with some new seats. The only thing I did do was change the steering wheel. Before it used to have like that big fat airbag, and it was just, you know, really ugly looking. The back seats are in pretty good condition with no rips, but what I did notice is that there's two different shades. I'm not too sure if it's supposed to be like that, but it's fine with me as long as there's no rips and everything. I did try to clean it as much as possible, so I removed the seats and cleaned the carpet. There was a couple stains that needed to be taken out, and I did the best that I could. I also bought some BMW mats. Now, you know, for BMWs, it's pretty common that they have a lot of cracks on the dashboard. The guy was a collector, so he took good care of it. It was always in the garage for the last couple years. So there's only like a minor crack, which you can see right here. And then I believe it's like one on the other side. So luckily, that's not too bad. The other issue I also had was the convertible door latch, which I need to replace. I have to take the whole cover off to like get through it. The string that's in there is pretty tucked in, so I just have to remove it and basically yank it all out in order to open the door. Another bad thing is that I don't have a, you know, the little cigarette charger thing, the auxiliary port. In the meantime, I also bought a BMW auxiliary port, which goes into the glove compartment, into the little flashlight. But it actually works and it comes in handy. It comes with the M20 engine. Now, the only issue that I really have with this car is that it has a rear mainsail leak. Now, my oil is always flushing pretty quickly. I believe there's also a oil pan gasket leak that I need to change. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you liked it, please like and subscribe, and see you guys in the next video. Deuces.